Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to describe a case that is really something we don't expect to happen, and this also shows how delay in visa processing is affecting applications and applicants and denying them the opportunity they really deserve to. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now, because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in this case, uh, she filed a visa application work permit for her husband in Feb 2020. That was just a month before the pandemic was triggered, and that time she was a student. The expiry date of her visa was study permit was 31st October 2020, so between 6 to 7 months. And there was no response from the embassy till 2nd December. So by this time her study permit was already expired, of course. So meanwhile she applied for a work permit, she got the work permit, she sent the details like pay slips and all. But even after all that, the visa that was issued to her husband after uh, like on 12th December she sent, and after the passport was submitted on 20th December. So in the month of December, when her case was actually picked up, her husband got a visa stamp, but an expired visa. Does it really make sense? How could somebody would travel on an expired visa? So this is something that is really unusual, that IRCC pasted one backdated visa, one expired visa to someone. This is really painful. Like, I don't know how to explain this. You waited for 6-7 months for what you deserve, and what you got instead, an expired visa. Now definitely you cannot travel on an expired visa, because a visa sticker has an expiry date and nobody is going to allow you with an expired visa. So what she can do now, as I have suggested her, like, she needs to check if her job falls under NOC category 0A or B. If it does, then she can file an open work permit application for her husband. And then if this is granted, hopefully it would be granted, because it has been granted in a different way already. So hopefully it will be granted sooner this time, and then probably they can meet and stay together. But this is really painful and unexpected. How could somebody get an expired visa stamped? And at the same time, I have no way to verify the claims made in this video. I'm just going through what my subscriber has told me. Like, if this is true 100%, whatever she has said, this is really unexpected. And I don't want, I really feel bad, and I don't want to see anyone else with this kind of issue. But yes, this is a case that I really brought to your notice. Thanks for watching.